So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NBA regular season MVP winner futures bet here on the Bet365 application. So once you're into your Bet365 account, make sure you're on the home screen, go to the top left, and right in between NHL and NFL, there is the NBA logo. Press on the NBA. Now for right now, it says we're on the lines tab, so if you just slide this top bar all the way to the right to where it says futures right here between teaser cards and standings, press on futures. Now, as I mentioned before, if you wanted to place a futures bet on the regular season MVP award winner to where it says win outright, simply just press on that and then change it to where it says regular season MVP right here. So we're going to go ahead and go regular season MVP, press on that. And you can scroll down, look at all the odds here. So if you wanted to place a futures bet on Nikola Jokic, you can go ahead and press on Jokic, then go to the bottom left and press on set wager, and then place your bet by pressing on the button in the bottom right hand side of your screen. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NBA regular season bet for the MVP award winner futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.